Hi, today I will be telling you how to create a website on WordPress for free. First of all, we will open the WordPress website. Once you open the WordPress website, we have to click on Get Started. Now, click on Continue with Email. If you want to link your Google account, you can continue with Google or with Apple or with GitHub, but now I will be continuing it with email. Once you tap it, you have to write your email. Checking your email. Now we have to search for the domain. I want to name it as Divine Bhakti. Search. Since we are creating it for free, we can choose the free option. Sometimes the username won't show the one you want to take. Once you selected the free one, if you are willing to pay, you can pay from the below options. Now click on Continue. Now click on Start with Free. You can choose any of the options. Since I'll be using it for blogging, I'll tap on Publish a blog, then tap on Next. You can choose variety of themes from here. If I choose this theme, I'll tap on Continue. Just wait while the site logins. Okay, now I can choose any theme from clicking on Appearance Themes. There are various themes available. The best themes are this. You can choose. You can also type here Corona theme. These themes are easy to edit. I am selecting this theme. I'll just click on Activate. Now I'll customize the site. But before that, we need to delete all the previous posts from here. Make sure to confirm the email. Once the email is confirmed, since I have chosen my theme also, I'll go to the post. Move it to trash. Move it to trash. Move it to trash. Yeah, like this you can delete all the previous posts from here. But now I have to maintain some pages like home, about and contact. If the about page is mentioned here, you can just go on edit. See, now I will add the about content. Copy your content and add it. If you want to add any URL, you can select it, keep it bold, keep it italic, tap on the link. copy the link, paste it, and from here you can also select the option open in new tab, then save. You can even change its color, then tap on save. Make sure to justify it. It looks good. After saving it, just go to the back button and you can tap on add page. Type contact, add your content, make it justify. Now if I want to add a button for contact, just tap on button, type contact, make it bold. You can make it in the center. Even you can connect it with the link also. You can see the contact page is ready. Just tap on publish. Okay, now we have to customize the entire page. For that we go to appearance and then go to customize. You can do a variety of settings from here. For example, tap on site identity and mention your site name. If you want to add a tagline, you can. Make sure to click on save changes every time, because if by mistake it gets closed, all your data will be reset. Tap on colors and backgrounds. You can choose a particular palette. See, this will be the color of headings, color of links. Save changes. Tapping on fonts, you can choose heading font and base font. Then header image. Tap on add image. Make sure to create an image by this pixel. You can do it from Canva. I have created this image. I'll just download it. Once you upload the image, let it wait to get downloaded. You can select and crop. If you want to crop your image, you can crop it from here like this. Click on crop image and you will be seeing, see. Click on save changes. Now about the menus part. You can see here only the about and contact page is being shown, but I also want a home page, and you don't have to create a home page, it's already there. You just have to add it sequentially. So I will tap on create new menu. I will write here menu and click on primary menu. Then next. Now I have to click on add items and add it sequentially, like home, about, contact. Once I add all these, I just click on save changes and you can see here. Once done,
Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more such informational videos.